Hi, Jamie here, also known as Standard American. My wife Kim and I have recently purchased property in the mountains of Northern California, where we plan on building a home and enjoying our retirement in the woods. Hey, Standard American here. Standard American doing Standard American things. So today I'm going to work on getting that electrical box all disconnected and removed. But we got to start inside at the panel and get it all disconnected because it's still live up to that point. It's shut off in there, but it's still, you know, I want to get it disconnected from in the panel, and then we can start dismantling all that stuff and get it all out of there. So enjoy. All right, we'll get this cover taken off. Okay, so here's the breaker I need to disassemble. Let's see here. That is not hot. That's not hot. Alright, that's down and in. What's the next one? That's this neutral right here. Okay, so all of those are loose, and now take this cover off so I can pull it all down here, so I can pull it all out the other way. So let's see if I can get a look at that. Sorry about that. All right. Screwdriver. Let's see if I can pull these down out of here one at a time. And put the cover back on the box if I want. Make those all safe again. Oh, see, that's why I did that, because that would have been bad. Okay, those are all safe out of the box now. Alright, let's put the lid back together. Need to change that. Put that. Oh, that one's stripped out. Guess we'll put it over here. Okay. Yeah, that's safe again. Okay. This is the opposite side of the wall from where I pulled the other cover off. And we will pull these out through here real quick. Everything was on there, had a good seal. Alright, now all of these are now outside. Now I think if I go disconnect from the other side, I can just pull all this right out of the conduit and wrap it up and be able to use it again when we get up to the property, because I'm totally cheap that way. If I can reuse it, I'm going to. Well, I don't know if you remember this box when I disconnected the hot tub, but yeah, we're back here again. And this is all dead because, as you just seen, I disconnected it from the power end. Still a little bit freaked out by spiders all in and around here. So, it's a little freaky. And I have trouble getting down that low to work on this thing. So, that's the hot side. It should all be up there. Yes, I'm talking to myself. Alright, let me get this part disconnected if I can get in there. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the screw out that's holding it to the deck. I don't know how many more I got. I got one on this side somewhere, I think. Let's see if I can get in there to get to that. Ow. Scared me. It's like a booby trap. Made me jump. That was funny. There's a screw in there. Alright, now it's loose from there. I can like that, break that off. Now I can get in here easier. Now I can get in there. Look at that. I mean, I'll save the box, but I accidentally busted out that knockout, but that's all right. That's not the end of the world to me. Oh, come out of there. Okay, one more lug to undo. Okay, now let's get this thing out of here. And I'll straighten these out a little bit so maybe they'll go back through that conduit a little easier. And we'll go pull it through the conduit. Okay, let's see if we can pull all these. Maybe I'll pull them one at a time. I really wanted to pull them all together. Maybe I'll see if I can get a little bit. Which one's hanging up on me? There we go. Now I think I can pull them all. All right. That was all of it out to the hot tub. Well, out to where the hot tub used to be. It's right behind me now. And we will definitely save all this wire, because where I want to put it at the new property will be probably about the same distance. Might even be shorter from my power. All right. Now we're back to disassembling stuff. And I already see a creature. And, all right. That was a crazy wolf spider. Hose that off real quick. There's Groot. What you doing, buddy? Oh, we find out a place to pee. Well, getting it broke down. Just thought I should come over and stand in the shade for a minute, because all that going on out there in the freaking heat, right in the sun. I need to get some shade for a few minutes. Groot, what you doing, bud? This used to be all thick jungle back here, but oh, he's peeing again. Nobody needs to see that. This fancy wheelbarrow I made that a long time ago with my CNC machine, and it's basically for like a flower bed garden area where you can put a big potted plant in the middle and wrap rope lights around it so it illuminates out. We'll probably do that again once we get it up to the property. But yeah, it was kind of cool to build. Built that a long time ago. It was one of the first things I did with the CNC machine. Pretty cool. Great. Good. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here and say hi. Good dog. I'm going back here. Well, I got most of it all cleaned up. I just got to get the piers out of here. And our daughter-in-law has my wheelbarrow, so I'll have to Get that back from her, and then I can haul those piers back to the backyard. All right, got my wheelbarrow back. So now I can start loading up these piers and get them out of here. So yeah, I'm gonna put you down over here and we'll see what we can do. These things are not light. Oh yeah, 5 of these is definitely enough. Holy moly, that's heavy. All right, so I'm just bringing them back here and dumping them so that later on when I'm ready to move them up to the property, I can just roll them into the bucket of the tractor and be able to handle them that way. Still got a big mess in my barn that I've got to deal with. Got a lot of stuff to throw away in there. Some of it's no good, a lot of it's good, you know, like my mixer, my gas cans, and my little generator, my big stick welder back there. You know, there's a lot of junk in there too. And all the pallets that everything's on back there are full of black widow nests. Look who I found. That's a lot easier on my back, I'll tell you that. And I'm just putting them over in front of the barn. Okay. So that I can scoop them up with the tractor when we go to move them up to the property. Yeah, it gets pretty heavy. Breathing real heavy. He's doing all the work off the gate. Oh, should have got that. Oops. Can you get around it? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's the way.
Are there creatures underneath them? I didn't even look.
On those two, maybe. But there is grass growing up on here already. Must have been from the first seed planting I did a couple days ago. I didn't think it would come up that fast, but something's going on here. Yeah, I didn't level out all them pier block holes very good, but once grass grows up, it'll be all right. And then I'll mow it all even and it'll look fine. At least to me it will. Like I said, I'm not a gardener. I just play one on TV. Well, all right. It makes me feel good that we got it all out of there and it's seeded back now. And hopefully in a couple of weeks there will be a nice lush grass there again. I just gotta water it every day and make sure it gets or stays damp. And yeah, I think it'll be good. So we will catch you on the next one.